Good morning. This is Wednesday, December the 9th. All right, let's talk about today's assignments. All right, I have the YouTube video. I have the book pages. You're going to need your book pages today to answer the questions. All right, we're still working on Amos and Boris by William Steig. All right, this is the paper today with the questions on it. So if you can print it off, go ahead and print it. If not, get out your notebook and you can write it in your notebook. All right, let's look at the first question. It says, read page 9. What are some things Amos saw while lying on the deck of his boat? So I have the page numbers written down here in the corners. So we need to scan up here and find page 9. All right, there's 8. All right, there's 9. All right, so it says, what are some things Amos saw while lying on the deck of his boat? You want to look for the words lying on the boat, deck of his boat. If you look for those words, now you should see the answer to that question. All right, so make sure you copy right out of the book, put the capital letters. All right, of course you have to write more than what I've underlined. I'm just showing you that's part of the answer. All right, also on page 9, this question. How did Amos fall off his boat? All right, so you're looking for the words. Fell off his boat. All right, I see where it says right off the deck of his boat. So the answer to that question is right around there. Now, you should trace it back. Find the beginning of the sentence. Copy that down, put a period on the end. Make sure you spell the words correctly and watch your handwriting. Some of it's getting awfully messy and it's hard to read. All right, so our next question says the answer is on page 10. All right, it's this question. What did Amos do when he first fell off the boat? When he first fell off, what did he do? That's an easy one. It's what all of us would do if we fell off the boat. All right, that one's an easy one. All right, next question is page 11. What happened to Amos next? All right, so here he is. He's down in the middle of the ocean. His boat floated off. He couldn't grab and get a hold of it. All right, so what did he do? What did he do? All right, it says, what did he decide to do next? Look for the words. He decided. All right, he made up his mind he was going to do this. So copy that down and put a period on the end. And our last question, what was Amos worried about as he was out there in the ocean floating? What was he worried about? I'm sure we would be worried about the same thing. All right, so what was he worried about? So you may want to start it out with Amos was worried about. Okay, so you want to write that down. Amos was worried about. All right, and then you would need to finish it and put a period on the end. All right, so on this one, if you're using the notebook paper, go ahead and write that it's reading for Wednesday, December the 9th. All right, now let's talk about our fact and opinion assignment today. All right, so let's get this down, close this up. All right, it's right in here. Okay, here is of the worksheet we just worked on. All right, our fact and opinion. Let's see what you know about spiders. All right, it says decide if each statement is a fact or an opinion. All right, so if you go to the third one, all right, Here are all the facts and opinions. All right. So if you can print it off, go ahead and print it off. If you cannot print it off, let's stay with what we've been doing all week. Take a piece of notebook paper, put a column down through there, facts on one side, opinions on the other, and then you'll have to write your facts and opinions in the right place. Now, just to see if everyone is listening and watching my video, you know I like to get a different color crayon out every day. Well, today's color is green. And today I want you to circle the clue words in green. All right, clue words again. All right, I'm going to take you over here. Clue words are like these. Like, love, prefer, better, beautiful, feel, should, best, dislike, fun, ugly. All right, stuff like that. Words that are opinions. All right, so you're going to cut that out. You're going to circle your clue words in green. Spiders are interesting. Is that a fact? Or is it someone feels they're interesting? Right, it's an opinion. So this would be a clue word that you're going to put with your green crayon. All right, hope you're going to watch my video so you don't miss all of those clue words. All right, okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Remember, get out your green.